Join students. In last class, we have done some application of the properties of real numbers of exercise 1C. Now today I have to proceed exercise 1D concerned with simplification of rational and irrational numbers. Okay, let's see how to simplify irrational numbers. Okay, suppose some numbers are there: square root 5, square root 3, square root 27, square root 2, square root 5, square root 3. Okay, so like numbers means you have to check the radicand and index of radical sign. Let's see some more numbers. Square root 162, 2, square root 7, 3, square root 3. Okay, so first of all, you know the symbol. This is nth root a. Okay, nth root a. N is known as order. This symbol is known as radical. And that number a is known as radicand. Okay, so some numbers are there. We have to check order and radicand of the numbers. If both are same, then only the numbers are like numbers. Okay, order like square root 5. So 2 is here. Cube root you have to write 3. Okay, so 3 is order. 5 is radicand. This symbol is 5 is radicand and this symbol is known as radical. Okay, suppose 7th root 2. So 7 is order, 2 is radicand. This symbol is radical. Okay, these are the parts. So we have to check this order and radicand. If both are same, then the numbers are like numbers. Okay, square root 5, square root, all are in square root. The order remains same. Now check the radicand. Square root 3. Square root 27 means what? You have to express this as simplest form. Then we get 3 square root 3. So 3 square root 3 radicand same. Thereafter 5 square root 3 162. 3 into 3 up to 5 times, 3 to the power 5. 9 square root 2, sorry. This is 9 square root 2. The radicand are different. Again 3 square root 3. So these 4 numbers are like numbers because radicand remains same as well as order of the radical remains same. All are 2. Square root means order is 2. Cube root order is 3. 7th root order is 7. So in this way you have to check the like numbers and then you can add or subtract these like numbers. Suppose square root 3 plus 3 square root 3. We get x plus 3x, 4x. Similarly, square root 3 plus 3 square root 3, that is equal to 4 square root 3. Okay. In algebra, you have done like terms, unlike terms. Similarly, here also you have to check the like numbers and then only you can add or subtract. In algebra also, you add and subtract the like terms only. Okay. Similarly, in case of real numbers, you have to check the numbers like or not. If like, then you can add or subtract the like numbers. Clear? And in case of addition, multiplication and division, In case of multiplication of division, you know that square root a into square root b, that is equal to square root a into b. You can write both the numbers together using one radical sign if it is given in the form of multiplication or division. Square root a upon square root b, we can write square root a upon b. Okay, these are basic things you keep in your mind for the exercise 1D. Exercise 1D. Okay, simplification be there. Taking question number 1, third, add 2 upon 3 square root 7 minus square root 2 upon 2 plus 6 square root 11. Add, and is there to add a plus square root 7 upon 3 plus 3 square root 2 upon 2 minus square root 11. Okay. Now grouping of like numbers. We have to make the group of like numbers. Square root 7, square root 7. Okay. So write 2 square root 7 upon 3 plus square root 7 upon 3. Then after 2 by root 2 by 2, root 2, root 2. So plus that 3 root 2 by 2 minus root 2 by 2. Okay, then after root 11 plus 6 root 11 minus root 11. Now thereafter simplification, 3 LCM, so 2 root 7 plus root 7, 2 LCM, 3 root 2 minus root 2 plus 6 root 11 minus root 11. So 6x minus x, 5x, similarly 6 root 11 minus root 11. You get 5 root 11. Here also 2 root 7 plus root 7, 2x plus x, 3x, similarly 2 root 7 plus root 7 is 3 root 7 upon 3, it will cancel. 3 root 2 minus root 2. Okay, like 3x minus x. We get 2x, similarly 3 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2 upon 2 cancel plus 5 root 11. So finally we get root 7 plus root 2 plus 5 root 11. Okay, so first of all you have to find out like numbers and thereafter you have to add and subtract, isn't it? So this is the process. We're taking next. Question number 2, very simple. Taking second. Multiply 6 root 15 by 4 root 3. So simple. So 6 root 15 into 4 root 3. So first of all you have to multiply the rational number 6 into 4, 24, and thereafter you have to write square root 15 into 3. So 24 square root 15 means 5 into 3 and 1 3 is there also, we get a pair of 3. So 24 into from pair of 3 you have to take out 1 3 root 5 left. So 72 root 3. Finally you have to write your answer in simplest form. Okay, if you write 24 root 45, 53 or 45, it is not simplest form. Okay. So in this way you have to make it simplest form and then you have to write final. Clear? For taking one division also. Question number 3. Divide. Taking second one. 12 square root 15 by 4 square root 3. Okay. So 12 square root 15 by 4 square root 3. You have to divide. Divide rational number first. You get 3. Thereafter write square root 15 upon 3. So finally 3. After reducing you get 5. So 3 root 5 is your answer. So simple. Now proceed for some good questions. These are very simple. Question number 6. Third. Examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. Okay? You have to examine the given numbers are rationals or irrational. Clear? Taking third. 2 square root 13 whole upon 3 square root 52 minus 4 square root 117. You have to examine whether it is rational or irrational. For that you have to simplify first. Here, simplify. So 2 square root 13 as it is, 3 square root 52. 52 means 4 into 13 and 2 into 2 into 13. Okay, minus 4 into 117 means 13 nines and 3 into 3 9 into 13. Okay, so finally what we get? 13 3. We get a pair of 2, take out 1 2, put 13 left, 4 minus 4. We get a pair of 3, take out 1 3, then square root 13 left under the radical sign. So 2 root 13 upon 6 root 13 minus 12 root 13. So 2 root 13 upon 6 root 13 minus 12 root 13. Okay, like numbers, that is minus 6 root 13. 13 cancel. 2 ones are 2 threes are, means we get minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is what? Rational or irrational? Everybody knows. Is rational. Okay, in this way you have to examine all. Here. Okay, written everybody? May I clear the board? Okay. One more. 4. Square root 8 plus 4 square root 32 minus 6 root 2. Okay. So again you have to simplify. Square root 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. We get a pair of 2. So take out 2. 1 2 from pair and 1 2 left within the radical sign. Okay. Now there is no need to show 2 into 2 into 2. Then you have to write 2 root 2. Okay. Directly you can write. Plus 4 square root 32. 32 means 2 to the power 5, we get pair of 2 2's and 1 2 is unpaired. So from a pair of 2 2's, take out 1 from a pair of 2 and root 2 left, minus 6 root 2 as it is. So finally 2 root 2 plus 4 plus 16 root 2 minus 6 root 2. Okay. So 16 plus 2, 18 root 2 minus 6 root 2. 18 root 2 minus 6 root 2, you get 12 root 2. The product of rational and irrational. The product of rational and irrational, always irrational, is irrational. Okay. In this manner, we have to examine after simplification. Done, everybody? Have you written? Okay. Now simplify. Question number 8. First, 3 root 45 minus square root 125 plus square root 200 minus square root 50. Okay, simplify. Okay, 3 square root 45 means 3 into 3 into 5, 3 square into 5. Directly also you can write. Minus square root 125 means 5 cube. 200 means 2 into 10 square. 50 means 2 into 5 square. Okay, first of all you have to factorize, and thereafter you know you have to take out 1 from pair of the factors. So 3 into 3 square, take out 1 3, square root 5 left, 3 5s are there, so take out 1 from pair of 1 5, so 5 square root 5 plus 10 square, so 10 square root 2, 5 square root 2. Okay, we get 9 square root 5 minus 5 square root 5 plus 10 square root 2 minus 5 square root 2. Now then after calculation, 9 square root 5 minus 5 square root 5, both are like numbers. So 9 minus 5, 4 square root 5. 4 square root 5. And thereafter 10 square root 2 minus 5 square root 2. Square root 2 square root 2, like numbers. So 10 square root 2 minus 5 square root 2, you get 5 plus 5 square root 2. Clear? For square root 5 and square root 2 both are unlike numbers, you cannot add or subtract. Square root 5 and square root 2 both are unlike numbers, you cannot add or subtract. You have to add and subtract only the like numbers. Okay, so this is your answer. Final. Clear? Very important questions. Wait second. 2 square root 30 upon root 6 minus 3 square root 140 upon square root 28 plus square root 55 upon square root 99. Okay. As you know that square root a upon square root b equal to square root a upon b. Okay, that's you have to follow. You can write 2 square root 30 upon 6, 3 square root 140 upon 28 and square root 55 upon 99. Now thereafter you have to divide 2, 6, 5 is square root 5, 3, 28, 5 is 140, yes, 5, to square root 5 and plus 11 5 is 11, 9 is to square root 5 and square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 5 we get minus square root 5. You have to follow greater value sign, plus minus minus, but 3 square root 5 is greater than 2 square root 5, that's why you have to follow up the greater value sign, plus square root 5 by 3. Now take LCM. Minus 3 square root 5 plus square root 5. We get minus 2 square root 5 upon 3. That is your answer. Okay. Done everybody? May I clean the board? What? May I clean the board? Yes, okay, thank you. Similarly, you have to do question number 8/3. Square root 72 plus square root 800, okay, minus square root 18. The last question of the exercise. Square root 72 means 36 to the 72 means 6 square into 2. 800 means 2 cube into 10 square. 18, 2 into 3 square. 9 into 2. Okay. Now thereafter take out 1 from here to 6 root 2. You get pair of 2 and 10. So 2 into 10 square root 2, 1 2 left under the radical sign, minus 3 root 2. Now simplify. 6 root 2 plus 20 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 6 root 2 plus 20 root 2, 26 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So 23 root 26 root 2 minus 3 root 2, 23 root 2. That is your answer. Okay, the simplification of irrational numbers that we have done. Okay, the last question of exercise 1D. So do all the questions of the exercise 1D. This is your homework. Exercise 1D complete. Okay, that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.